Hey there YouTube fans, AC Productions here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the Zero Gravity Corsa windscreen. This is the packaging for the windscreen, which is right here. It's kind of pretty big, and it's going to create a little bit of a more higher profile over here on the windscreen. So let me go over here on this side. Alright, so let me show you what the tools that you need to install the new windscreen, and pretty much the screws that you're going to be removing. There's going to be one up here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the tool that you're going to need is going to be a very small little tiny star bit, as you can see right there on how tiny that little guy is. But it's a very tiny little star bit. So let's go ahead and get started and removing all of those screws. Alright, now that you removed all of the screws, the windscreen should just pretty much come out. So just be careful, you just gotta wiggle it out as it is kind of sandwiched in there. So just be careful when doing so. Alright, so, okay. Oh, there we go. Alright, so now we got the stock windscreen out. And it actually has a small little tint on it. Can't really tell on the camera too much. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this off to the side. And let's go get it and go ahead and grab our new windscreen. Okay, so the rubber grommets are still on this inner, the middle one is still on there. So you're going to have to go ahead and remove the grommets from the top part of the windscreen to attach to the new one. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Sorry for the unfocusing, guys, but pretty much just remove these little ones on the top and just go ahead and transfer it over to the new windscreen. Alrighty guys, I kind of wanted to show you the size, the differences comparison really on the windscreen. So here we go, we got the stock windscreen like right about there, and then here is the new one. So as you can see already, the arch of the new one, which is right here, is a lot like, you know, on the high part compared to this low profile one. If I put it right there, there you guys could see a little bit better. Alright guys, well, I also wanted to show you real quick the easiest way to get these little rubber grommets. There we go, much better in the focusing. So as you can see, there's this little bump on the rubber grommet. So if you try to put it in here, it's going to be a pain in the butt. The best way to do it is from the bottom. So just go ahead and just squeeze the ends there, and then just push it through down here. And just keep on trying to work it until it actually pops through. And once it pops through, it's going to look like this. Alrighty guys, now we already got all the rubber grommets in its place. Now, I think probably the better bet would be to go ahead and loosen up the mirrors. That way you have a little bit more of flexibility with the plastic. To remove the mirrors, there's these little caps on the mirror. So get the little screwdriver, pop the little cap out, and I believe it's probably a 4mm Allen key. And then just go ahead and remove these two, and then the two on this side. Remove your mirror completely, and this will give you more flexibility on moving the plastic to kind of wiggle the windscreen in its place. Alright, as you can see, the mirrors are off now. So now it should give us just a little bit of wiggle room to actually get these little guys in there. So go ahead and just make sure that you are very careful when lifting it up. You don't want to lift it too high because you definitely don't want to crack the plastic. So while I go ahead and do this, you guys do the same. Alrighty, that took only a few minutes, guys. So now pretty much next we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put our mirrors in first. And then just go ahead and put all the little screws that you took out and just pretty much put them back in and tighten everything up. Alright, so 5mm, 10mm open end wrench. So go ahead and put your mirrors back on. So this is pretty much the end of the installation, really. Now if you guys are wondering what this sticker says over here, it just means that it's saying that Zero Gravity takes no responsibility if your instrument panel on the other side gets melted by the heat if you park your bike underneath the sun. So that's pretty much what that's saying. But if you guys really want to see what it really says, let me go ahead and take a picture and show you here. And then for my old windscreen, what I did, the plastic that the new windscreen came in, I just wrapped it in that plastic, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it right back into that plastic bag. Safekeeping away, unless if I find someone that wants to buy it, I could go ahead and sell it to that person. But here it is without the little sticker, the little warning sticker. And it's looking pretty good. You can't really tell that the high profile because it is tinted a little bit. So that's good. And from the other side, this is how it looks like from the other side. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. If you guys found this video helpful, please smash that like button. Also, I have a new icon right below this video. It's a little heart with a $sign inside of it, and it's called a super thanks. If you guys want to help support the channel, please hit that button, and any support you guys give will be greatly appreciated. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. please share my videos. That'll greatly help me a lot on getting my videos out there. If you guys dislike the video, please smash the dislike button. Let me know in the comments below why you dislike the video. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so that way you guys are up to date with the next upload I do.